Hey guys, Becki-licious here. Today is a taco showdown. Breakfast tacos versus dinner tacos. So let's get to it. Okay there. Look at these beautiful ribeye tacos. We've got breakfast and then we've got dinner. So I hope you stick around to the end to see which one won our taco showdown. All right, first up for these ribeye tacos is we've got to get our ribeye thrown on the grill. To the barbecue grill we go. Got my grilling sheet, which is ideal because it keeps all of the yummy juices and flavors in. So we are going to get this down. And of course, our Montreal steak seasoning. This is what I use for every steak I use, always. Let's get a little bit of flavor on there. All right, let's let this cook up. Back in we go. All right, let's get started on our taco shells. Let's get these shells done up. Ooh, this is looking and smelling amazing. This is almost ready to come off the grill. All right, let's get this ribeye off the grill. Ah, that looks so good. Okay there. All right, time for tacos. All right, we're gonna get this ribeye all cut up into bite-sized pieces for our tacos. Before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. This steak came out perfect, just perfect. I cannot wait for these tacos. Yum. All right, let's get this all in our bowl and ready because we are going to start out with our breakfast tacos. All right, let's get our eggs on this griddle. Let's break up these yolks and then we are going to add in a couple of scoops. We want this in with the eggs. Let's do a couple few. There we go. There we go. We just got to get this all scrambled up together. Get all those juices. Eggs are they're so ready. They've got all the juices kind of in with it. So we are going to build our breakfast tacos first. So like I said, we've already got our shells over here that we did earlier. And we are going to make sure all of this yumminess gets in there. Oh, there's nothing better than doing something different for breakfast. And what's more different than doing breakfast tacos? These breakfast tacos. Look at that. I'm going to put a little bit of taco sauce on it. Not too much, but just a little bit. Even my pups can smell the yummy steak going on, huh? All right. A little bit of cheese. And a little bit of tomato. Doesn't that look gorgeous? It looks so pretty. Stay. All right, now we're going to switch over and we're going to make our dinner tacos. Starting out with that yummy, yummy steak we cooked. Oh, yeah. A little tiny bit more. Can't go too heavy. I'm going to do a little bit of cheese first, and then I'm going to put in my taco sauce. All right. Now we're doing lettuce with this one because these are dinner tacos. And of course your tomato. Cannot forget your tomato. And there we go. Like I said, taco showdown. Breakfast tacos, dinner tacos. Gotta love it. Breakfast tacos or dinner tacos? I have to try a bite of each one. Let's do it. Oh, that's so good. Time for dinner tacos. Here we go. Let's see. I can't decide. They are both absolutely amazing. It's definitely a tie for sure. So there you go. We had a fun adventure in the kitchen today, didn't we? I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. If you like this video, click on this one.